Hey guys, what a great Apple event. It's 8 March and it was peak performance event, first event by Apple in 2022. I just love every bit of the event, but no software has been announced in the event. I am trying to refresh it again and again. Still, there is no RC update or a public update yet. Maybe we get that. But I want to talk about the Apple event. Let's start with the first thing. Actually, I made notes because it was a lot of things came down, so I have written down everything. So let's begin. It is going to be kind of a raw video, but I'm going to talk about every single thing which is announced in this event. So just enjoy this. Apple TV Plus. So Apple is bringing Friday night baseball games to the Apple TV Plus, which is great for the people who love baseball. And Apple is also bringing lot more movies to the Apple TV Plus, which are going to be the part of Apple Originals, which is really great. Unfortunately, Apple services are not available in Pakistan, in my country. So, bit of a bummer, what I can say. Then there is a new color for the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max. Color is green. It's slightly different. I mean, there's slight difference between green on the iPhone 13 and green on the iPhone 13 Pro. I don't know what are the names of the color, but I'm gonna call them green. And honestly, I don't like this color at all. This look ugly. I don't know, for some reason it looks ugly. Maybe it came out so it looks more better. I don't know, but for now it looks really ugly. Moving to the very most awaited announcement, iPhone SE 3rd generation. Same design as the iPhone 8, but with the upgraded back glass. Back glass is going to be the same as the iPhone 13 on the iPhone SE 3rd gen, but whole design is same. That fingerprint sensor is there, no Face ID or no notch thing. Powering obviously A15 Bionic chip, which means it is the same chip which came in iPhone 13 Pro. So insanely great performance. Obviously, it is a 5G, and that is great. Apple's talk about better battery life, but they didn't show any numbers over there about the battery life. But yeah, they just it's going to be have better battery life. Camera is going to be 12 megapixel with deep fusion, improved video quality, and obviously new photographic styles, which is again really great. Available in 3 different colors: white, black, and red. And I can see the new wallpapers over there, and I'm excited to get those wallpaper on my iPhone 8, starting $429, which is okay. I'm not sure. I think it should be around $349. What I think, starting $349 would be great, but $429 is the starting price for the iPhone SE 3rd generation. Moving to the next thing is the iPad Air, a big upgrade. Okay, so iPad Air comes in many different colors. I don't really know the names of the colors, but you can see as on the picture, it's like blue, pink, starlight, gray. Looks nice. Looks very decent. Rocking M1 chip. Yes, M1 chip, MacBook chip is in the iPad, which means insane performance. Graphics are twice faster from the previous. That is great. 12 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera. That is really great. 5G connectivity, USB-C connectivity, which is 2 times faster, and obviously supports 2nd gen Apple Pencil. But honestly, M1 chip means insane greatest performance you are going to get. You are going to enjoy a lot of games on that. That is awesome. Starting $599, which is I think really great. It is not that high, but M1 chip is there, guys. M1 chip. And then there is the next announcement. Apple announces new chip. We were expecting we are going to see M2, but Apple surprised us with M1 Ultra chip. M1 Ultra chip, which is the combination of 2 M1 Max chip. Apple somehow come up with this idea, joining 2 M1 Max chip and making one M1 Ultra chip and calling it Ultra Fusion, which is great. 128 GB of unified graphics memory, 20 core CPU and 64 core GPU. Insane, 8 times faster than the M1. Twice media engine compatibility. I mean, this is going to be awesome. Where this chip is going to be used, they are going to use this chip in their new product. So Apple is launching a full final new line of new product, that is Studio, Mac Studio and Studio Display. Let's talk about the Mac Studio for a while. Where are my notes? Okay, Mac Studio comes in two different variants. One is rocking with M1 Max and the other one is rocking with M1 Ultra. M1 Max is 50% faster than the Mac Pro. M1 Ultra is 90% faster than the Mac Pro. M1 Max is 64 GB graphics unified memory and M1 Ultra is 128 GB graphics unified memory. And there are a couple of, lots of ports there. You're getting 4 threadable ports, Ethernet ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI headphone. So yeah, it's a full pack, no issues with that. So this is the new Apple product called Mac Studio. With M1 Max starting $1999, that is pricey, and M1 Ultra starting $3999, almost $4,000, which is insanely high price. But obviously it is giving insane performance, so that is okay with the people who really want to try them. Then there is a Studio Display, slim design, 27 inches display, which is 5K with a 14.7 million pixel. It is 5K Retina display, which is nice. Okay, it is rocking with A13 Bionic chip to make camera and audio work much better, which is nice. Camera is rocking with 12 megapixel front facing camera. Well, obviously it's a display, so you are getting selfie camera. Better video call, studio quality mics, which is great. It is rocking 6 speakers and coming up with a spatial audio. Again, very nice. And at this price, starting price is $1599. Comes in 3 different stand options, 2 different stand options, and in one option you can also attach to the wall if you want to. So this was the whole Apple event, coming up with new products. I'm loving everything, but unfortunately iOS 15.4 isn't here. Let me check this for the last time, and going to my software update. 15.4 RC update is not here. Let me see if they have updated anything on the website yet. No, there is no update of 15.4 yet. But this was the event. What do you think about it? Which is your favorite product? Let me know in the comment section below, and definitely I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Until then, take care, peace out.